Yeah, well, no matter what, it's not gonna be better than me.
Okay, Jeffy, let's just get this over with.
Oh no, he's 21 in 5th grade. His parents are so disappointed. Marvin uses you for money, oh. You can't pay with your nose, what's the time to use a skill? Your dad was a better rapper, you could've won some rap beef. What happened to Phoebe? Oh, what happened to Phoebe? Should've been moving carefully, always wear your helmet. Talk to me, Jeffy. Bang yourself, you're going down, good morning, girl. You got SMLT monetized. I'm trying to kill you. Dance for me, Jeffy. Controversy, you set the golden ages. You lose your mind and go fucking crazy. I keep on hoping you got something made. Jeffy, Logan's capitalizing on your name. Who really wants your monopoly? Clearly you didn't get SML views. Gets views, oh. You can't pay with your nose with the time to use the skill. Your dad is a better rapper, you could've won some rap beef. What happened to Phoebe? Oh, what happened to Phoebe? Should've been moving carefully, always wear your helmet. Time for me, Jeffy. Don't hang yourself, you're going down, good morning, America. You got SMLT monetized. No $5 after, I'm trying to kill you. Dance for me, Jeffy. Controversy, you strip the golden matrix. You lose your mind and go fucking crazy. I keep on hoping you got something great. I keep on hoping you got something great. I keep on hoping you got something great. Your time's up, Jeffy. Talk to me.